In the week since the story broke, we've learned a lot about Ken Shadari and his alleged co-conspirators. How the FBI says what they were engaged in is described as a modern-day slave trade. A part of that is a fake robbery at a salon he owned in order to get a certain type of visa for his workers. I spoke with one legal expert who explains how schemes like this work and how they threaten real crime victims. Police say Ken Shadari, the owner of 4 Metro motels, and his wife Rashmi also tried to defraud the government through a staged robbery. According to the affidavit, Ken hired an employee of the New Victorian to rob and assault Rashmi while she was closing this brow and lash salon, all in an attempt to obtain a U visa back in 2022. A U visa provides legal status to victims of violent crimes due to their immigration status that are helpful to law enforcement.
The goal is to secure a U visa for one of the other defendants by making that person a victim of a robbery.
The affidavit states a man came in with a gun and told her to give him all the money, then pushed her to the ground.
Really unfortunate, really just sickening.
Eric Cardenas, an attorney out of Houston, where, according to investigators, Shadari has business connections, he told me there's a wait list to get a U visa, and fraudulent applications harm people who are actually victims.
There's no other way to put it, because there are people who are legitimate victims of robberies because of their immigration status, of trafficking because of their immigration status.
Here's the twist. Now that Shadari and his wife are facing charges of exploiting and harming people, it's likely they're ineligible for a U visa, while their alleged victims can ask for a type of visa set aside for trafficking victims.
These women should have received resources, if they were immigrants, letting them know that they have they do have the option for this type of visa, the T visa.
According to court documents, employees of these brow and lash salons also lived at motels owned by Shadari. Court documents show Rashmi also received a U visa in Utah in December of 2024 after she reported a sexual groping. All 5 defendants remain in custody and will be back in court Friday. In Omaha, I'm Greta Gady.